Linktree for beginners. Hello everybody. In this video I'll be showing you step by step how to use Linktree for Instagram or any other social media. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your browser and then search for Linktree's official URL, which is linktree.ee. I'll also put a link to it down in the description. Then from here you can see how it's gonna look like. Then from here you need to sign up or log into your account if you already have an existing account. From here, you'll need to go up to the right-hand corner and click sign up for free. Then from here, you'll have the option to log in or join Linktree with your email address or Google address or sign up with your Apple ID. For this tutorial, I'm just going to choose the Gmail or Google because that is simply the easiest way for me personally. Then you need to click continue. Once you're done that, it should be saying welcome to Linktree. From here, you'll need to click your Linktree URL. And to do that, you simply need to add in a URL or a username inside of the Linktree URL. Then from here, you need to click continue. Once you've done that, Linktree will ask you some pretty basic questions like what type of person or goal you have with Linktree. And you can say you want creator, continue, and then you can see here you can try it for 7 days if you want to do that, but you can also go up here to skip to get the free version. As you can see here, the starter version or the free down here to say get started. Once you've done that, you need to select a template. And you can see all of these different templates that Linktree offers. There'll also be more if you go inside to edit your Linktree in the app. So let's just take this one for now and start with this template. From here, you can see which platforms are you on, where you can pick 5 to get started, and you can update this anytime. So let's just choose YouTube, Instagram, personal website, Spotify, and Facebook. Then from here, you need to click continue. And then from here, you can add your links if you want to do that. This is optional, but you can go up here to the right-hand corner and click skip if you don't want to add in your user names. From here, you can add in a profile detail and your display name. And you can also add a bio if you want to do that. As you can see here, now it's looking good and there's a bunch of confetti. Then from here, you can click continue building this Linktree. And as you can see here, this is where you will edit your Linktree account. As you can see here, Linktree will already have posted in what type of socials you have, but you can delete them by clicking delete over here and then click delete. So let's click delete of all of these so I can show you how to do everything from the beginning. So now we are in a blank space. And you can see up here that you have the username, you have your profile picture, and you have your different social medias over here. And you can add a bunch more over here. Up here, you'll have your preview of how your Linktree is gonna look like. And over here, you can see a bunch of different analytics where you can see how much you have earned with affiliate links. You can see your audience and other insights. So let's create our first Linktree. And to do that, you simply need to click this icon up here called add. And here you'll need to paste a link or search for it. You can also down here select the suggestions where you can add Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. You can add collections, links, products or forms, but let's find quickly a link. So I have this PC right here that I want to add into my Linktree, and to do it, you simply need to click paste over here and then click products right here. From here, you'll see it showing up as an add a product, and then you can add it right here. And as you can see over here in the preview, you can see the CyberPower PC will be visible. You can also edit it or replace it if you want to do that by clicking on these 3 dots. And if you edit it, you can add in a title and you can add the price and the currency of this said PC. You can also over here add a collection if you want to do that. And to do that, you simply need to click on add collection. Then from here, you can add in a layout where you can choose between all of these. But as you can see, there's an upgraded version, and that means that you need the pro version of Linktree. Up here, you can give your collection a name, and you can add the links by clicking on this plus icon down here, where you will also be able to add in links, like I told you before. From here, you can also up here add in different social medias. And if I add Instagram over here, you can add a social media icon either on the top or the bottom. And if you see here, you can add social media icon and you can add all of these social medias. So let's say we want to add in our YouTube page and then we need a YouTube URL. And then just paste it right here and then click add. Then you can add icon right there, as you can see. And when you click on it, it will automatically go into your YouTube page. So let's say you want to change your design on how the link tree is going to look like. And to do that, you need to go up here to design. Then from here, you'll see you can change the heading where you'll see your username. You can hide Linktree footer, which is something a pro feature. And if you want to change the theme, you can change the blocks down here. So let's say I want to change it to this one. And you can also change it to Curial down here and then select specific Curial that you want to add into your link tree. Once you've done all this, you can go over here also to click wallpaper and change the wallpaper to, for example, a video where you can upload your own or choose from Cover, which is royalty-free website. Once you're done with all this, you need to click save. And as you can see there, now it has been updated. Over here on the menu, you'll also see this new call Earn section. And if you click on that, you'll see an overview of your income. Here you can see how many people have clicked on that specific links. You can see the click-through rates, you can see the conversions, and you can see how much you have earned in the 28 days. Down here you can also see the pending, the upcoming payment, payout schedule, and lifetime payments. If you go up to the settings tab up here, you can add in your products or your shop. You can add in SEO if you want to do that, or also known as custom metadata. You can add in analytics integrations like Facebook Pixel ID and Google Analytics. Down here you can also see affiliate programs where you can join different affiliate programs inside of Linktree. And I think that is how you can use Linktree for beginners. If you have any questions about anything that I have told you in this video, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!